Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at ZiPPO's outdoor hand warmer. This is the second remake version. This is the black version. There's also been a mossy oak camel version. So it says there's 3 different color options. You could get, the standard silver. You could get the like mossy oak camel, and then you could get, the black version. This is the black version. So yeah, the time that it lasts is about 12 hours. You really can't see it too good on camera because, the shiny packaging. There you go. So about 12 hours is what you get the use of this. They're saying like for camp, for like fire, cooking, and comfort. Down here, I don't know. And then, provides up to 12 hours of warmth, includes filler cup and warming blade. Compact size, frameless and odorless. Metal construction, so it is made out of metal, not stainless steel or anything else. Easy to use, and then they tell you like how to fill it up and stuff. So yeah. So let's get this open up and actually take a look at it. And it's kind of stupid for them to put these little snaps on here, considering that all the snaps do is only open to this much. Because everything else is actually sealed that you actually need to take a pair of scissors to cut open. Or a knife. Which is really stupid on the ZiPPO company. They're like, hey, it's an easy open package, let's put these little easy open tabs. You just pull one, pull two, and oh wait, it doesn't open up like that because they sealed it. So what the heck is the point of adding these little tabs on the top here for if you have to cut the thing anyway? That is just stupid. I mean, seriously, if you're gonna do that, just have the whole thing freaking sealed. Or if you are gonna put the easy open tabs, just put the 2 easy open tabs. Make that one or the other, because putting both doesn't work. And then not only did they put a seal along both sides here, it's also sealed across the top here. So yeah, it's not like, okay, well if you break open, one side or 2 sides, then you could completely own the package. Nope. So you're still gonna have to chop the top off to get at the dang thing. It's like so freaking stupid how they made this. Where it's like, yeah, easy open. Nope, you need a pair of scissors, a knife, and everything else. It doesn't even work. The idea of the 2 little easy open tabs, I mean, the product will work. It should work. I mean, it's a freaking ZiPPO. So why the heck would it not work? Okay. So yeah, just kind of hack the heck out of this thing. So if you don't have a pair of scissors, which is the best, try use a knife, which is not going to work that great. And yeah, just kind of go down, pretend you're a lumberjack and that's a tree, just hack it. Chop it. So yeah. The little cord in there. I don't know what the heck this little paper is. Probably something stupid. Just saying like, oh yeah, in America, distributor, and then try to find your country. Oh, yeah, they do have a USA one. Considering that I've seen like Chile and what else is there? Costa Rica, El Salvador, Puerto Rico. What else is there? I thought I saw a freaking China one. Oh, there's Brazil. Yeah. The only other American one that's really good is like Canada, but yeah. And then they have European ones, Asia, Africa. Yeah, you think that in the American one you see like a lot more, like maybe, I don't know, like Arizona for example, you know, New York, I don't know, you know, like more American ones. No, there's only USA, there's United States, and the only other one that speaks English is Canada. Everywhere else, you gotta have good translator and freedom passport. So yeah, I guess it's a good thing that they are, you know, ZiPPOs in other countries, which is a good thing, but you know, for the language of, you know, customer support, contact them, and phone number, fax number and stuff, yeah. And how to use the hand warmer should be pretty simple, but I know some people probably don't know how to use it. So, just after you get the thing out of the bag, remove the little cap, fill the container to the fill lines, use the container to fill in, light it, and drop it. Which we'll go over and see that in a bit. So, here's our little baggie, which actually, here it is. I thought this wasn't on there. So, we do have a drawstring bag. Is that like felt or plush? I'm not really sure what the material is, but it's okay, Betty. Here's our little fill cup. I don't know how good you can see it on camera, but there is two fill lines. There's this one down here, which indicates a half fill, which says 1/2, and then there's this one all the way up here towards the top, which is completely filled. So there's that. And I mean, this does make it pretty easy to fill things up with. So here's what it looks like. There is a sticker on there, because I know some people will be like, hey, it's not open. Yeah, you gotta turn it around, you idiot, and take the sticker off, moron. I mean, yeah, I mean, you will see people that will be like, this doesn't work. The top just come off. Yeah, it's called turn around the back, and there's a sticker that you gotta peel off. Believe me, there are people out there that will do that, and then they'll be like, oh, there's a sticker. Oops, my bad. I forgot to peel it off. Yeah, definitely your bad. Okay, and it does say ZiPPO on here. You just can't really see that great on camera with the black, but there's the cap. You do take this part off. This part, you can buy replacement ones, so do remember this one is not a forever piece. This does have to replace, I don't know how many times you get to light it before it needs to be replaced, but there is replacement parts for that, because that does burn up. Can you take the little silver piece out here? No, this all stays in here. There's your pre-filled cotton pad in there. Usually I'll use the ZiPPO brand, because I find this brand's very good, better than any other brand. But I'm out, so instead I gotta use a ZiPPO, which still serves the purpose. Now I need something to kind of, you know, get the ZiPPO thing open with. Come on. Okay, there we go. So, I mean, yeah, you can just pour it in like this, but it is best to use the fill thing, so I am only going to fill this one up to about halfway. Come on. Bear with me, folks. This could take a while, because I noticed on the little ZiPPO ones, the fuel doesn't come out as easy as a ZiPPO. Wow, this is like milking a cow here. That's what it feels like. instead of going, up and down on the others, it's just squeeze, release. It's probably not completely to the halfway line, but I'm just gonna call it and say is so. A little under halfway, but whatever. So, as you can see, there is fuel in there that I just filled up. So it's not like, hey, you got an empty fuel container. No, there is fuel. Just place on one of the holes, tilt it a little bit, and it will start wicking itself. Not wicking, but you know what I mean. It starts filling itself up. Still some more fuel in here. So, come on. I mean, the first time that you fill it, you kind of want to really make sure that cotton gets soaked and saturated with the fluid. After that, it's just like, water ZiPPO light, just fill a little bit in there and you're good to go. And a little tip, if there's any fluid remaining in the container down here that you can't get out of the little pour spout, just take this part and be careful and tip it in there. Like that. Place the top on. Wow, that's actually warm, and I don't know why it got warm. So, just to be safe, I am going to move the fuel source, because this is a fire product. It does get hot, so I don't want this to be like, oh yeah, I'm using fire and it's right next to it. So, yeah, I'm moving that out of the way. And comparison, we are going to compare it to the original silver one. So let's see if we could get